everyone, we are from the group 1. We are out here to talk about something that affects all of us. Media information literacy. Nowadays, we're surrounded by information everywhere. On our phones, TV, social media, or even conversation with friends. But how do we know what's true, useful, or even misleading? That's where media literacy comes in.
So good afternoon. I am Joan Biernes.
Good
And you
afternoon.
are?
I am Isachin Esterado.
So I have a question for you. What is your thought about media information literacy?
I think media information literacy, right, is a very important that we are knowledgeable about that aspect because especially in this digital age, we are very prone to fake news online and we are also very prone to like spreading uh, let's say a not legitimate source. So it's very important that we are literate in this part because as I said na very prone ta in that part. So dili lang siya harmful towards ourselves but also sa mga pwede na itong ma-spreadan sa maling information. And I think that is why incorporated siya sa isa ka curriculum kay our society magud kay evolving, so it's every dynamic, so we have to keep up, but that doesn't mean na keep up lang kundi we have to be very literate sa dalang batita and knowledgeable.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm Renel Moreno, and you're?
Junin Michael Ergulo from BSHM second year.
I have a question for you. What is your thought about media information and literacy?
Uh, my thought is sa literacy is about digital thinking sa advertising o isa pa'y makuha sa computer. Moro to.
Thank you, sir.
Miss, I am Pipino regarding I have a question for you. What is your thoughts about media information?
My thoughts about media information literacy are that it is very helpful for us student because ano bitaw makabangtag kung sa kanang kung sa una kung paggamit siya then ano bitaw if when it comes to editing or makabalo bitaw ta then dali na po siya gamiton para lang mo kanang mo-post ta. But for me as a psychology student need po na itong mga bitaw kanang hinahinayan or kanang atong bitaw ibabundaan kung sa atong mga ipang-post or iibutan sa kanang media kanang dito makasakit o kanang emotion sa uban kay nailagay perspective ang pa. Unang kita student kanang very helpful kay ang media kanang ibawon dyan nato siya kay karami. Sabi ko, tagod sa mo dyan nato siya paggamit din grabe po ang kanang impact sa media for us student din. Tako po siya tabang para
Thank you for watching. To be a responsible user in our society, let's keep questioning things and learning to be a smarter media users. And always remember, think before you click.